Hello and welcome. You're watching Live and Breaking with me, Akanksha Khajuria. Starting off with the monsoon session of the Parliament. Today is day one and we are learning that Nirmala Sitharaman and S. Jaishankar, in fact, were present in a meeting that took place with Defence Minister Rajnath Singh today. Now, NDA MPs are being asked to sign for impeachment motion against Justice Verma in Rajya Sabha, and one by one, Rajya Sabha MPs are reaching Defence Minister Rajnath Singh's room and signing that particular document. Signatures of more than 50 MPs are being taken. Member of Parliament today submitted a memorandum to the Lok Sabha Speaker to remove Justice Yashwant Verma as far as his impeachment is concerned. We are learning that 145 Lok Sabha members signed the impeachment motion against Justice Verma under Article 124, 217 and 218 of the Constitution. MPs from various parties including the Congress Party, TDP, JDU, JDS, Jan Sena Party, AGP, SS Shinde, LJSP, SKP, CPM, etc. They have signed this memorandum, and notable signatories including Anurag Thakur, Ravi Shankar Prasad, Rahul Gandhi, Rajiv Pratap Rudy, PP Chaudhary, Supriya Sule, KC Venugopal and others have signed this as far as the impeachment of Justice Verma is concerned. Let me go across to my colleague Harsha, who's been tracking this story very closely. Harsha, tell us about this meeting of Defence Minister Rajnath Singh and how many MPs have come forth from different parties as far as the impeachment motion of Justice Verma is concerned.
So, Akanksha, the meeting which is taking place, which is underway at Rajnath Singh's chamber is still. Nirmala Sitharaman, S. Jaishankar and Rajnath Singh, three are there in the chamber. And it's very important because already the ruling party and opposition leaders and the NDA ally members have met Speaker Om Birla, and they've handed over the memorandum with the signatories of 145 MPs, where they have clearly stated that impeachment motion should be brought in the Parliament against Justice Verma. And in the highlight of that, only today in the chamber of Rajnath Singh, Defence Minister, all the ruling party MPs are now one-on-one coming to the minister's office to sign, to have more signatures on impeachment motion against Justice Verma, because the more the numbers of the MPs will be, the impeachment motion will be brought in at the floor of the House in Lok Sabha whenever it will be scheduled to come, but it will be in this monsoon session only. And after that, the Speaker will be constituting a three-member panel committee to investigate into Justice Yashwant Verma incident, and also after that, likely in the next session, the proceedings and the investigation detailed report will be kept. But this is all exercises happening for impeachment motion to be brought against Justice Verma, because this has been the long demand of the opposition party MPs, and also the signatures include the ruling party MPs and also Rahul Gandhi, Mallikarjun Kharge, Priyanka Gandhi, Ravi Shankar Prasad, Anurag Thakur, Supriya Sule, TDP Member of Parliament, LJP Member of Parliament. All these Member of Parliament have signed the memorandum which has been submitted to Om Birla, and more signs are continuously happening in the chamber of Rajnath Singh, where all these three top ministers are meeting together and one-on-one MPs are arriving. Back to you.
Absolutely. As many as 150 MPs have signed for impeachment of Justice Verma. Thank you, Harsha, for all the details.